Hey guys, I'm Jani Balaji. You watching Beauty Wonkers. I'm going to be creating this beautiful everyday makeup look. If you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So this is the before makeup sort of situation. You can see that I have pigmentation, dark circles and all that. We are just going to cover that up a little bit with concealer. Nothing much, just covering up our flaws and making our skin tone look a little bit more even. So these are the products that I'm going to be using for today's look. These are very minimal products and very affordable as well. I'm going to start off with Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion, which is currently my favorite moisturizing lotion for using before makeup. So this is actually a dupe for the Embryolist cream that many makeup artists use. I'm just going to use that all over my face so that my face is nicely moisturized and prepped for the makeup. Obviously, we're starting off with concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. This is my perfect match. Do use a perfect match shade of your concealer so that you can just cover up all the flaws and make it look, even if you're using a highlighting concealer, that's going to show up like really weirdly on your face. So use a concealer that matches you. I'm using this Cuffs and Lashes brushes. I have a whole video on these brushes. You can check that out. I'm just blending out the rest of my face where I've applied concealer around my mouth, my pimple marks and stuff, and I'm going to blend out the under eye area last because I want a little bit more coverage. The concealer would have set a little bit and it would give me more coverage. Already our skin looks even, so I'm just going to press it down with the help of this Real Techniques sponge. You can use any sponge that you have. Of course, we are going to set this base with the help of a powder, otherwise it's going to move around and it's going to be such a mess. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 310 using a large pack powder brush. You can also use the K Beauty compact powder, which is also one of my favorites. This is an affordable one, the Fit Me one. It's really good. Now to bring some color back to the face, I'm using this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, one of my favorite bronzers. Another one of my favorite bronzers is the Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches, but this one is so subtle, so beautiful. I'm just adding some color back to the face. Now moving on to eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Lakme micro brow pencil. I guess this is a very beautiful eyebrow pencil. I'm just going to like lightly fill in my eyebrows, nothing over the top, and I'm going to brush it out with the help of the spoolie that comes along with this eyebrow pencil. This is such a great eyebrow pencil. I've been using it constantly, and these days I've been skipping eyeshadows altogether, and I've just been wearing an eyeliner, especially the Essence liquid liner is so great, and I'm not doing a wing or anything, just a simple plain line on top of my eyelid, and that's it. And I'm going to be curling my eyelashes with this eyelash curler that I got from Miniso. You can use any sort of eyelash curler, and I'm using mascara only on the top lashes. I'm avoiding my bottom lashes completely. I'm leaving it bare. It kind of gives like an open eye sort of a look. And for lips, I'm using this Maybelline Superstay matte ink lipstick in the shade Cocoa something. This is part of the coffee collection that I made a video on. If you want, you can check that video out for more information. Smells like coffee, lasts long, pigmented, and that's the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you next time in another interesting video. Until then, take care. Tata, bye bye.